This is a final video to fix USB-C displays not detected on Windows 11. Are you struggling to get your monitor to show up when you plug it in? Many users face this problem because Windows sometimes fails to recognize USB-C connections, or the drivers are outdated. You might have tried other solutions from YouTube or social media, but they're usually complicated, confusing, and take too much time. On Rexis, I have a simple trick that can fix this issue in just a few clicks. This method works even if you tried everything else and nothing helped. You don't need to install any extra software or spend hours tweaking settings. If you want a full step-by-step guide to make your USB-C display work instantly, comment below, and I will show you the easy way. Follow this trick, and your monitor will finally connect without problems. Don't forget to subscribe to Rexis for more simple solutions like this.